This video will discuss question 8, which is a true-false statement that goes as follows. Consider the non-inverting amplifier configuration in figure 3. The gain of the amplifier block and its power supply are sufficiently high. If Vi is 1 volt, RL is 10 kiloohms, and the maximum current that the amplifier block can provide at its output is IO max of 1 milliamp, then Vout will be 10 volts. Now, to test whether this can be true, we will first assume that Vout is indeed 10 volts, and then we can see whether there will be a contradiction that arises with this constraint of the maximum output current. So to do that, we will first compute I/O, and we can do that by computing the load current and the feedback current separately. So let's do this feedback current first, which is the output voltage, so Vout, over the resistance that it will see over the feedback path. Remember that no current will pass into here, so we can simply add up the resistances as so. So there will be R1 plus R2. That is 10 volts over a total of 9 kiloohms plus 1 kiloohm is 10 kiloohm. That together makes 1 milliamp. Now, the load path will also have a current of Vout over this load resistance, RL. And you can compute that by just doing 10 volts over the load resistance, which was given as 10 kiloohms, which is therefore another 1 milliamp. And then the output current, Iout, will be the same as the sum of the feedback current and the load current, which is then 2 milliamp. Now that is larger than our maximum value, and therefore the statement above can simply not be true. It is false.